get straight to the good stuff and put up the image from today, the very beautiful image. So I'm pleased to report that Curiosity today had her first successful drive on Mars. This drive checkout, coupled with Yestersol's checkout of the steering actuators on Sol 15, means that we have a fully functioning mobility system on our rover. And in this image, you can see our touchdown point. You can see the tracks driving away from that location, as well as the scour marks to the right and the left of the rover's initial position. We drove forward, did a turn in place, and backed up. And you can see that the soil underneath the rover, it kind of confirms our expectations that the soil is firm, great for mobility, we're not seeing too much sinkage, and that we should have smooth sailing ahead of us. I've also got another graphic showing the animation of the drive today, if we can move to that. So this is our simulation and visualization tool, which shows our first drive. So we initially bumped forward 90 centimeters to image the wheels, and then drove an additional distance to total 4.5 meters, where we did our first turn in place. And you can see we're imaging every once in a while to look at the wheels as we're driving to inspect them and check them out, turning half of our 120-degree turn, turning the remaining distance, and then backing up 2.5 meters. So this final location places us in a good spot to do some good science here. We've got the Goldburn scour off to the right side of the rover where we can view it with the ChemCam instrument and the other instruments. The key things about the drive today were that we were able to do one full revolution of the drive actuators in the forward direction. We were able to turn and see that the inertial measurement unit telling the rover how its heading is changing is working properly, and we were able to back up another full revolution of the drive actuators. So we were able to see motor currents, we were able to get the data, and everything looks perfectly nominal. So we're very excited to have this kind of milestone behind us. We see that the system is performing very well, and we're in a great place to do some science.